Welcome to Shanghai, China, a city where tradition meets innovation and history blends seamlessly with the future. From its iconic Oriental Pearl Tower to the historic Bund, Shanghai is a living testament to China's evolution as a global powerhouse. As one of the largest cities in the world, Shanghai is home to over 24 million people and is a hub for finance, trade, and tourism. In this video, we'll explore the futuristic vibe, stunning architecture, and rich cultural history that makes Shanghai one of the most captivating cities in the world. Let's dive into the heart of this modern metropolis. Our journey begins with Shanghai's most iconic landmark, the Oriental Pearl Tower. Standing at an impressive 468 meters, this architectural masterpiece dominates the city's skyline. Its unique design, featuring spherical structures connected by cylindrical pillars, symbolizes the rise of modern China. Visitors can take an elevator to the observation deck for panoramic views of the city. The tower's innovative design reflects Shanghai's forward-thinking spirit, making it a perfect emblem of the city's progress. For the adventurers, there's a glass skywalk that offers a thrilling perspective, 259 meters above the ground. Inside, you'll find interactive exhibits that narrate Shanghai's transformation over the years, along with immersive virtual reality experiences. And when the sun sets, the tower's dazzling light show is a sight to behold, making it a must-see attraction both day and night. Next, we move to the Bund, Shanghai's historic waterfront and a symbol of its international heritage. This 1.5-kilometer stretch along the Huangpu River is lined with stunning colonial-era buildings, remnants of Shanghai's time as a global trading hub in the 19th and early 20th centuries. Walking along the promenade, you'll be greeted with breathtaking views of the Pudong skyline, featuring futuristic skyscrapers like the Shanghai Tower and Jingmao Tower. The Bund offers a unique opportunity to step into Shanghai's past while marveling at its present and future. Along the way, you can explore art galleries, boutique hotels, and world-class restaurants housed in these historic buildings. The Bund is the perfect spot to capture the contrast between old and new, a hallmark of Shanghai's unique charm. For those who love shopping and entertainment, Nanjing Road is a must-visit destination. As one of the busiest shopping streets in the world, it offers everything from luxury brands to local crafts. During the day, it's a bustling hub of activity, and at night, it transforms into a dazzling spectacle of neon lights. But Nanjing Road isn't just about shopping. You'll also find street food vendors offering traditional snacks, giving you a taste of Shanghai's culinary delights. From handcrafted souvenirs to modern gadgets, there's something for everyone on Nanjing Road. Be sure to take a ride on the charming sightseeing tram that runs along the pedestrianized section of the street, offering a unique way to explore its many attractions. Take a step back in time with a visit to the Yu Garden, a classical Chinese garden located in the heart of Shanghai. Dating back to the Ming Dynasty, this serene oasis features elaborate pavilions, lush greenery, and tranquil ponds filled with koi fish. As you wander through its winding pathways, you'll discover the exquisite craftsmanship of traditional Chinese architecture, from dragon wall carvings to intricately designed bridges. Yu Garden offers a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Just outside the garden, you'll find the Yuyuan Bazaar, a vibrant marketplace where you can shop for souvenirs, try local delicacies, and experience the hustle and bustle of old Shanghai. This area is particularly magical during Chinese New Year when it comes alive with lanterns and festive decorations. No trip to Shanghai is complete without indulging in its world-renowned culinary scene. From Michelin-starred restaurants to bustling street food markets, the city offers a gastronomic adventure like no other. Don't miss the chance to try xiaolongbao, Shanghai's famous soup dumplings, or sip on a cup of fragrant Chinese tea at a traditional tea house. Shanghai's food culture reflects its diverse influences, blending flavors from across China and beyond. Explore the night markets to discover local favorites like scallion pancakes, fried buns, and stinky tofu, an acquired taste that's worth trying. For dessert, try tanghulu, candied fruit skewers that are as delicious as they are colorful. Before we wrap up, here are 5 fascinating facts about Shanghai that you might not know. Shanghai is home to the world's fastest commercial train, the maglev, which can reach speeds of 431 kilometers per hour. The city's name means upon the sea in Chinese, reflecting its location along the East China Sea. Shanghai has over 24 million residents, making it one of the most populous cities in the world. Shanghai's port is the busiest container port in the world, handling millions of shipments annually. These fascinating and unique facts about Shanghai only add to the city's allure as a must-visit destination. Shanghai is a city that never ceases to amaze. Its seamless blend of history, culture, and modern lifestyle makes it a destination like no other. Whether you're here to explore its iconic landmarks, savor its culinary delights, or experience its vibrant energy, Shanghai promises an unforgettable journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for even more incredible adventures around the world. We want to hear from you, so tell us in the comments which part of Shanghai you're eager to explore. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.